Here's the situation. During due diligence for an acquisition, the buyer discovers through background checks that a key executive of the company has a criminal history, including time in jail for narcotics and firearm possession. Despite these findings, the buyer is eager to move forward with the deal. What legal and ethical considerations should a buyer weigh when deciding whether to proceed with an acquisition after uncovering serious issues in executive backgrounds? This is a really tough one, and I'll be honest with you, this doesn't come up a lot. But it's obviously very serious. It is a risk to the company in a number of ways. It's a reputational risk. If this is not already public and it becomes public and the person's associated with the company in the public eye, it could really damage the brand. It's a legal risk if the person recommits the offense that they were convicted of. And it's potentially a personnel risk, right? Is this person saying inappropriate things to employees or talking about doing illegal things? If you are, as the buyer, intent on moving forward with the deal, you really need to protect yourself and protect the company. And that includes making sure the employment agreement has the option to immediately terminate in the event of conviction or even a charge of a serious crime, clawing back their shares if they have shares, basically taking back the shares they have for little or no money and having the company repossess them, and having some kind of a liability provision in the person's employment agreement where if they're going out and committing crimes in their role as an executive of the company and potentially putting the company at risk, that they're going to indemnify you for any damage that you encounter in that. So this is a really serious problem, and it is one that should probably give you pause about whether you're going to move forward with the deal or not. But if you do move forward, you have to have ironclad provisions in those agreements, and you have to have a plan for what happens if the worst case scenario does occur.